Want to know how to check Telegram user ID? Hello everyone, I'm Gaston from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to check Telegram user ID. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Telegram app on your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here you can see only your username and contact number. As you can see, the user ID is not provided. So, in order to check Telegram user ID, go back to your home page. Then tap on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen and search for Raw Data Bot. Likewise, tap on the Start. Finally, Raw Data Bot has provided you with your user ID. So this is how to check Telegram user ID. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.